There's nothing to say that they should left. I just took it full of regret. I owe the taxis in the grave, looking for some place to ease the pain. Whoa, didn't like an answer.